Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter 8, Comparing Quantities. Now we learn the comparison by ratio and the percentage. Now generally during the festival season or sometimes in between also during the year, we hear about the sale, big sale of clothes and saris and so many items. What is the meaning of the sale? That is the trick of the businessmen to attract the customers. They give some discount. The shopkeepers, they give discount to the customer. So the customers are attracted to buy those items. So what is actually this discount? Discount means they will give that particular object less than the marked price. It means that suppose a sari has marked price, say about 4,500, but they are giving the sari less than 4,500, maybe 4,300 or 4,000. So here we are getting some discount. So what is discount? First we will learn about it. Discount is the reduction given on marked price. So now marked price means MP, and therefore the selling price will be less than the marked price. So discount is equal to So how will you find the discount? Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. Means whatever you get price, that is subtracted from the marked price, then you get the discount. Now you get the discount, but if you want to know that how much percent discount is given, so we can find the discount percent also. We can find percentage discount also. So discount percentage is obtained by this formula: discount divided by marked price multiplied by 100. So discount percent is obtained by this formula: whatever discount you get, divide by marked price and multiply by 100. So that is the way you find the discount also, and you find the discount percentage also. And you can do the reverse also. Maybe the marked price is given and some percentage discount is given. So from that percentage we can find the discount and the sale price also. Let us understand with examples. Example. What does it say? An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 704. Sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? What is the discount and what else? Discount percent. So first we have to find out the discount also, and then we have to find the discount percent also. So here what is the marked price? Rupees 840. So here marked price MP is equal to rupees 840. And what is the sale price? Sale price is rupees 714. So now discount we can find by this. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. These are the two important formulas that you have to remember. So now first we will find discount. So discount is equal to MP minus SP, means marked price minus sale price. So 840 minus 714. So now 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So discount you got is rupees 126. Now we have to find the percent also, right? So now discount percent, I told you, is equal to discount divided by MP multiplied by 100. So is equal to discount divided by marked price, because always when you find the discount or the discount percent, it is on the base of the marked price. Means according to the marked price, the discount is given. So discount is 126 divided by the marked price is 840 and multiplied by 100. So now we can do the cancellation. Zeros are cancelled. Now 42 2s are 84 and 5 2s are 10. Now 42, let's do multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So 42 3s are, you get 126. That much percentage. So now 3 5s are 15. So discount is rupees 126 and discount percent is 15%. So by this way, if you know this method, you can find the discount and the discount percentage. So now we learn about the discount and the discount percentage. Now we will do the sum given in the try this. First question said a shop gives 20% discount. What would be what would the sale price of each of these be? So now first one, a dress marked at rupees 120. So now on each item 20% discount is given. Now we have to find the sale price. So here mark price of dress is rupees 120 and discount percent 20%. So therefore we have to find first the discount. So discount is equal to 20% of market price means 120. So 20 upon 100 multiply by 120. So discount is rupees 24. So now we have to find the sale price. So sale price is equal to marked price minus discount. So what is the marked price? 120 minus 24. So now we have to subtract 24 from 120. So marked price will be rupees 96. Take the second one. A pair of shoes marked at rupees 750. At rupees 750. So marked price is rupees 750 and discount percent is 20%. So now real discount we have to find first. So discount is equal to 20% of rupees 750 is equal to 20 upon 100 multiply by 750. So 75 twos are 150. So that is your discount. And now selling price. So sale price is equal to MP minus discount. What is our MP? 750. So rupees 750 minus rupees 150, which is the discount. So the sale price of the shoes, pair of shoes, is rupees 600. See, you can do yourself very simple, same type, thus a bag marked at rupees 250. Now second question, a table marked at rupees 15,000 is available for rupees 14,400. Find the discount and discount percent. So here marked price of table is rupees 15,500 or sorry 15,000 and sale price is rupees 14,400. Am I right? Yeah, 14,400. So first we have to find the discount. So now discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. You know the formula? Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. So marked price is 15,000 minus 14,400. So if you subtract here, the discount is rupees 600. Now we have to find the percent also. So we wrote down the formula. Discount percent is equal to discount divided by marked price multiplied by 100. Whenever we have to find a percent, we have to multiply that fraction by 100. So 600 is the discount. Marked price is 15,000 and multiply by 100. Zeros. Another one zero also given. 15 fours are 60. So discount percentage is 4%. So is equal to 4%. So first we have to find the discount and then the discount percent. Let's do the third one. Be careful in third one because if you don't read the question carefully, definitely you are going to make the mistake. Here it is given that an almirah means cupboard, is sold at rupees 5,225. After following a discount, after allowing a discount, discount of 5%. Find its marked price. Here the totally different sum is there. Here we don't have to find the sale price. Sale price is given. We have to find marked price. So let marked price is equal to rupees X and discount percent is given 5%. So now discount is equal to 5% of X, that is 5 upon 100 into X, that is X upon 20. So here discount is rupees X upon 20. So now we have to find marked price. We know that sale price is marked price minus discount. But we have to find the marked price. So marked price is equal to sale price plus discount. Marked price is equal to sale price plus, but marked price is X. Sale price is given 5225 plus X upon 20. Now we got a simple equation. So now we will multiply all with 20 as we learn in the chapter. Multiply by 20 to all terms so that we can take out the denominator. So 20x is equal to 20 multiplied by 5225 plus x. So 20x minus x is equal to 1,04,500. So 19x. Now we have to divide it. So x is equal to now 1045 divided by 19. 19 5s are 95. And then 19 5s are 95. So 55. So 55 and 0 0. So x is equal to rupees 5,500. So the marked price of Almirah is rupees 5,500. So here we have to find the marked price. So it is totally different. So here we are going to finish the session and followed by the PDF that you will write down in the notebook, and for the confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.